How to use grease gun properly and easy. Subscribe for more videos. There are several different styles of grease guns to choose from. The most common styles of guns include the lever, pistol grip, hand grip, air-powered and battery-powered. The lever style is the most economic and widely used of all the grease guns. Most grease guns are designed to accept most fittings, also known as a zerk. You want to make sure that your fittings, or zerks, are clean of all dirt and debris. Be sure to clean the fitting of all dirt before attaching the gun. Inspect and replace damaged fittings. Also clean the grease fitting after applying grease. When using the grease gun, make sure that it is full of fresh clean grease that is approved for whatever types of joints or surfaces that you will be greasing. You need to check the manufacturer's specifications to find out this information. Pump the gun until grease appears or the sealing boot swells. You need to be careful not to over-grease joints that have boots on them, or you will split the boot, which will cause water or debris to get in and cause a premature failure of the joint. When the gun is empty, depending on the type that you have, you may need to fill it manually or use a refill cartridge. Be sure to clean the end of the gun when you are completed. It is important to note that you may from time to time have to change the grease fitting due to wear and tear or dirt and debris plugging the fitting. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.